In this video, I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts in one phone. Now, first of all, you need to go to your Play Store and ensure that your WhatsApp is up to date. Now, you just open your Play Store, then search for WhatsApp. Then update your WhatsApp if it is not updated. Now, once you've updated your WhatsApp, you will go back, then you will open your WhatsApp. Then you will click on those three dots at the top right corner. Then settings. Then you will click on that icon. As you can see, that icon, QR icon, there is an icon with an arrow. Just click on it. Then at the bottom there, you will see add account. Just click on add account. Then agree and continue. Then you can enter your phone number of the new account that you are creating, or if you already had an account, you can enter the number there. So I'm going to do that. Then click next. Then yes, confirm the number, then click yes. Then continue, then allow. Guys, when you are verifying your number, make sure that the number that you are verifying is in your phone, so that it can be automatically detected. So let us just give it a few minutes. Now the verification code has been sent. It has been automatically inserted there. So you can enter your name, then next, then continue. Then you can enter your fingerprint, or if you do not have, or if your phone does not have fingerprint, you can change the verification method. So I'm just going to use a fingerprint sensor. Then as you can see on the top there, adding account, and there we go, the account has been added. So if you click on those three dots on the top right corner, you are going to see switch accounts. You can either use this account or you can use the other account. So if you want to switch from this account to other account, just click switch account. Then you will go to your primary account or your main account. Then if you want to switch back to the other account, just click switch account. Then you will come back to this account. That's how you can simply use two WhatsApp accounts using one app. You do not need to install another WhatsApp application, but you can use one application using two different accounts. That's how you can use two accounts in one phone. So if you found value from this video, do not forget to like the video and also to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, and I hope I will see you in the next one.